Okay, for Teardown Part 2, we're just in sandbox mode really, destroying the place. So yeah, at the moment I've got no mods enabled, so I'll just enable some mods, so I'm going to pause the recording. Okay, I've got the mods on now, so we've got a high-tech drone now, I can destroy the place. So we can magnet, and we've got machine gun. Oh, and there's rocket launcher. So really, we're just going to be destroying the place today, so... Oh yeah. So yeah, look, I got a robot tool. I don't know what it does. I don't know what this does though. I guess we can just destroy the place. So I got a hunting rifle and I got a shotgun. Yeah. I can crash through walls like this. Oh, and I can break the bridge while something is on it. Let's get the zinc here for this. Need to rescue. I'm gonna break the bridge with this on it. Okay, and then so yeah, there's that. Oh, and there's this. So yeah, really, this is all just the place. Oh, and there's this vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna hoover everything up. I'm gonna hoover everything up. I'm gonna destroy the world. Yeah. I only got a leaf flower, which doesn't really do much. I got a hunting rifle too. Yeah. So yeah, I saw this really. Oh yeah, the reason I sound a bit depressed is because I've been trying to record a video and there's so much noise going on and I'm just trying to record a good video. But I'm pretty sure this one is going to be good. I hope it is. Oh yeah, I got my to-do list. This is my to-do list. Yeah, that's my to-do list. So, yeah, what is this? I'm going to blow it up. Aha! I'm going to just destroy the place just using bombs. I'm surprised I'm still alive from that though. I'm going to blow up this boat. Look, I'm going to blow up its propellers. Gotta swim away! Oh, I'm dead. Yeah.